Hi there, it's Claire from Clairified Creations, and today we're going to be doing a very long anticipated video, and that is the plan with me for nursing school. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm a nursing student at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville, and this will be my first year of nursing school. So if you want to stick around and see my journey to becoming a nurse, definitely hit subscribe. I just got my schedule literally a couple days ago and I was on vacation, so I haven't been able to do it, and of course now I'm doing it the day before, but it's still better than nothing. Claire from a little bit from the future. If I look tired in this video at all, it's because I am. I drove 6 hours back from vacation, and I also woke up at 2:50 a.m. If you want to check out any of the things I'm about to mention, like my planner, the pens, the highlighters, definitely go look at the description box down below. The pens and the highlighters and all of those fun things I got on Amazon, and you can also get cute planners like this on Amazon too, but I'll link down everything. First things first is my beautiful day designer. This is where all the planning is gonna mostly take place. This is in the fun orange floral pattern, and it opens up. I already added a couple stickers because I just got really excited. This is an overview of the month of August, and I'm definitely going to be filling it all in. And then we've got an hour by hour schedule for each day, which probably won't be filled in. I'm not entirely sure. We'll just have to find out together. And then some to-do lists, and that's for every day. So there's, say this is Monday, Tuesday, and then it just keeps going on and on and on. So definitely perfect for nursing school because I'll be having a lot of things to do. Then we've got some really cute stickers, and it has all the fun events like birthdays, what you're grateful for. Then we might also be using these colorful pens by IBAM, not really sure, but they're the fine liner pens, and there's 18 of them, so perfect for all the colors. Also have an assortment of very colorful highlighters. These are the pastel colors, and I really like them because they're not too bright, but they're very cute. Step number one is to look at my schedule and fill out what my schedule is going to be like, because my schedule for nursing school is kind of crazy. It changes almost every week. The first couple weeks are relatively the same because it's just orientation things, but after that it changes. One day I have off, the next week I don't have that day off, and then you also have skills on top of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write everything down on this one, my giant wall calendar desk thing. I got this at Marshall's, or my mom did, so if you want to check out this calendar, definitely go to Walmart, Target, Amazon, pretty much anywhere has them that sells school supplies. I'm going to write down all my things on this list, and then I'll get back to you. So let's cue the time lapse. Just finished writing down my schedule for the next semester, and here's just the overview of it. You can kind of see I color coded them. And a pro tip for you guys is to make a class key. Here's what I use: clinicals blue, health assessment red, foundations orange, and then pharmacology was green. And then November gets a little crazy. And finally we've got December with final exams. How lovely is that? I feel so much better that all of my schedule is finally written down on a sheet of paper where I can view it all at once. I'm really loving this layout of where I could just kind of flip through. Sorry, I didn't mean to cover you up, but you kind of get the idea. I'm going to quickly use this highlighter. It's just a purple one, the one I got on Amazon, and I'm gonna highlight big events, so AKA all of my breaks. I want to know when my breaks are because breaks are important when you're going through school. So I'm just going to highlight Labor Day and fall break, Thanksgiving break, and just so that I stand out more and they can kind of motivate me to keep going and just push through the hard times, because I'm sure there will be some hard times. The next step is going to be to actually write down the things in the planner. We can set this aside for now. I don't need it anymore, so I'm going to write down all of my assignments that I have due, and that's something I like to do in these big square thingies. To add a little bit more pizzazz, I'll put the stickers on last to kind of tie the whole look together, but I'm going to write down any homework assignments, exams, quizzes, all of that. Every single assignment that I can possibly fit on here is gonna go right here on my monthly overview of August, and then I'm gonna do that for all of those months up until December, which is when finals are. The first month of August, well, the 2 weeks of August are finally complete. I'm gonna show you up close. I did a little bit of color coding, all of my classes up here, and then on the notes section, I just wrote a fitting Bible verse for this month, and it's by Jeremiah 29:11. So we can see that's in blue, and then my classes, these are all the assignments. I put down a sticker for here for orientation, and then my actual first day of classes, but although I don't have classes that day, I still put down big day. And then on the back, you'll see I did the same concept with that. And now I'm just gonna fill out the rest of the semester, and then I'll chat with you guys after. Now that the months are filled out, at least as much as I possibly can do, I'm sure my professors will be nice and generous and sprinkle a couple extra assignments in there just for good measure. I still don't have one of my classes set up yet. They haven't released the Canvas site, so as soon as the class opens, I'll write that down in here too. In case you're wondering on how this looks from the inside of the planner and the daily sheets, here's an example I did for the summer days when I had to work. I worked at a daycare, so this is just my shift that I did. We have up here my top 3. You can see get gas, I did that, and go to the bank. Upload a vlog, did that. I did not take the thumbnail. Dollars I spent, don't forget, and then my to-dos. But for now, we're gonna head over to my other weekly planner. I know, you guys, I have 3 different kinds. That is definitely a little bit unique, but here's what my other plan is for YouTube and just everything. I really wanted to make this video inclusive and realistic for real life application, because let's face it, not everybody's life just revolves around school. While yes, I do realize I'm gonna have to put in a lot of time into school these next couple years, but I do kind of want to have a little bit of a life outside of it. So I wanted to share with you guys what my plan is for outside of school. Here we are with this weekly planner that I purchased from Target. It was $9.99. Excuse the mess. That is the reality of filming a video. Anyways, let's just crop that out and zoom in on this pretty planner. As you guys can see, this was used for my filming schedule for YouTube. So I would write down the week of, and then everything I wanted to get done. I'm also going to implement this for life tasks. So if I have, say, an eye appointment, which I do, I have an eye appointment coming up, I'll write it down over here, and then I'll say also my YouTube schedule. So I'm going to rely on this for life, YouTube, everything like that that's not school. For example, we've got filmed a reunion. I did that on Monday. And then I was supposed to post the reunion vlog on YouTube. Well, that did not happen because it's not gonna be up today because I just got back at 3 o'clock. You guys can see that everything is color coded. So the pink is for filming. I associate pink as a fun color and I love to film. So that's why I assigned it pink. And then the red is for posting days. The green is for editing, and then all other ones I'm sure might even be blue for appointments and other life activities.